Forests and tribal people. Tribal people or tribes generally live inside or on the outskirts of forest. They survive on forest products. They are often led by a chief. In India, tribes are known as Adivasis, Gonds, Bhils, Santhals, Mundas, Jarvas, Kols, Bodos, Garos, Khasis and Lepchas are some of the Adivasis groups living in different parts of India. They get food, fuel wood, medicines and timber from the forests. They make baskets, ropes, leaf plates, bags, mats, etc. from forest products and sell them in markets. Forests are an important part of their social, religious and cultural life. Every tribal group worships some special trees and animals which are considered sacred. They do not allow cutting down trees, killing of animals and collecting fruits and nuts from the sacred plants and trees. The sacred protected area in the forest is called the sacred grove. The tribal people call the sacred areas Divovans or Divorais. There are more than 13,000 sacred groves in different parts of India. Conservation of forests. For a healthy environment, a country must have at least 1/3 of its area under forests. Unfortunately, India has only 1/5 of its total area under forest. Due to rapid population growth, many forests have been cleared for agriculture, mining, industries and housing. Our government conducts various programs to increase our forest wealth. Two such programs are Van Mahotsav and Social Forestry. In Van Mahotsav, school children and other organizations take active part in planting saplings of trees. It is organized at the beginning of the rainy season. In Social Forestry, villagers and tribal people are encouraged to grow trees on wastelands. Successful efforts have been made to increase the forest covering by planting more trees. Wildlife. Wildlife includes wild animals, birds and insects that live in forests. India has a rich variety of wildlife. But due to destruction of forests, many wild animals have become extinct and many more are in endangered category. Our government has set up many national parks and wildlife sanctuaries to protect wild animals. Look at the list of some of the famous national parks in India given alongside. National Park and their state. Corbett National Park, Uttarakhand. Dajigam National Park, Jammu and Kashmir. Dudhwa National Park, Uttar Pradesh. Keoladeo Ghana National Park, Rajasthan. Gir National Park, Gujarat. Hazaribagh National Park, Jharkhand. Kanha National Park, Madhya Pradesh. Kaziranga National Park, Assam. Manas National Park, Assam. Periyar National Park, Kerala. Lungs of metropolitan cities. The Maidan area located in the heart of Kolkata serves as its green lungs. The Sanjay Gandhi National Park serves as the lungs of Mumbai. The Delhi Ridge is considered the lungs of national capital. Chennai has the Guindy National Park as its lungs.